Hello students, how are you? I hope that you are doing well. So welcome to this video. In this video we are going to learn more multiplication. Till now you have done multiplied with one digit number. So here we are going to start and we are going to learn by two digit number. Okay. So here you can see I have written 0 in ones place. That means here you can see 732 is given and that one we have to multiply with 10. So 10 is a two digit number and in ones place 0 is there. Okay, so that is what we are going to solve, 0 in ones place. Okay, so students, as I told you that when 0 is there, so anything if we are multiplying with 0, then the answer we will get is 0, right students? So rather be multiplying because if we will multiply 0 with these three number we will get 0. Okay, let me show you. So 0 2 is 0, 3 0 is 0 and again 7 0 is 0, right? So ones place is done, so ones place have to put 0. Now we have to move forward to the tens place. So 2 1 is 2, 3 1 is 3, 7 1 is 7. Now we have to do addition, 0 2 3 7. Okay students, so here you can see this line. Okay, so you can skip this line. Okay, because anything we are multiplying with 0 will give us 0. So how you can skip? So here you can see 538 into 30. So here also in unit place, that means in ones place 0 is there, right students? So here what you have to do, in ones place 0 is there, so you have to put one 0 here. Okay students, and from tens place you have to start with 3 and you will multiply all the numbers. Why I am putting here 0? Because in ones place 0 is there. Okay, so ones place definitely the one in product also ones place will be 0. So like this way if you multiply you will get this one. Okay, 16,140. 3 8 is 24, carry 2, 3 3 is 9, 2 plus 11, so again carry 1 is there, 5 3 is 15 plus 1 16. Okay, so like this way you have to do. If two digit number is there and in unit place 0 is there, then you can do it in one step only. Okay, you can skip this and directly you can do. Okay students, next common mistake, generally students make this type of mistake. What happens, 0 is there, so they what children used to write like this, and then again 5 6 30, so again 0 is there, and again 5 8 40. Okay, again 0 is there, and 5 2 10, so they are writing only this one. So if you are writing so, then it will be a big wrong answer. What you have to do, if 0 is there, definitely the ones place will be 0. Then you have to start with what? Tens place. Whether in from tens place also if you're getting 0, so that doesn't matter. Okay, that doesn't matter. You have to write that. So 5 6 is 30. So carry will be 3. Then 5 8 is 40. Then you have to do plus, right? So plus 3 will be 43. And again your carry is how much? 4. So 5 2 is 10 plus 4 equals to 14. Now if in ones place some other number is there, okay, some more multiplication, I'll show you. Example I have taken here, 168 into 23. Okay, so 23 we can write as what? 20 plus 3, right students? So first step is we have to start with what? Ones place. So 3 have to multiply with this, and second step 20 have to multiply with this, right students? So let's see how it is. So you can see here 168 into 23 I have written. Okay, so as we know we have to start from what? Ones place. So let's start. So 3 8 is 24, carry 2. Okay, you can write it here or you can write at any corner of your copy. So I'm just using my hand. Okay, so 3 8 is 24, carry 2. Then again 3 6 is 18 plus 2 20. Then again carry will be 2. Then 3 1 is 3, 4 5. Yes. Okay, done. Now we have to, now ones place is done. Now we have to do what? Tens place, right students? So what have to do? Have to put 0 in ones place, because ones place is already done. Now we have to start from what? Tens place. So 8 2 just 16, carry 1, 6 2 just 12 plus 1 13, and 2 1 just 2 plus 1 3. Okay students, so first of all we are doing what? Ones place. Then in the next step we have to do tens place, and then we have to do the sum. So if we do the sum, we will get this. Okay, this is the sum. So like this way you have to do. If in ones place 0 is not there, then you have to perform that step. You have to multiply that and you have to write that step, and after that you have to add them with the tens place number also. Okay, whatever you are getting. And do not make this type of mistake that when you are doing tens place, then you are starting from here. Okay, do not make this type of mistake. Every time when you are starting, you have to just focus that which place I am solving for. So below there, from that you have to start. Okay, so as ones place is already done, so there should be 0. Okay, you can put cross also. Okay, or you can put 0. Now let's discuss some exercise questions. So exercise 3.4, multiply. So here 2-digit number is there, but in unit place 0 is there. So in one step only you can do it, right? So in ones place 0 is there. So in ones place, in answer also ones place will be 0. Now 7 6 ja 42. So 4 carry is there, 4 carry, and 7 9 ja 63. 63 plus 4 will be 67. Okay students, so this one I am solving for B number. Here I'll show you H number. So H number is given 1348 into 20. Okay, so again unit place 0 is there, so have to write 0 in the ones place, and then we have to continue multiplication. So 8 2 just 16, carry 1, 4 2 just 8 plus 1 9, there is no carry now, 3 2 just 6, and 2 1 just 2. Okay, so this is your final answer. Question number 2, find the product. We have to find the product. Okay, here you can see in the tens place, in the ones place there is 2. Okay, there is no 0, so we have to perform both the steps. Okay, so first of all you have to multiply with 2, and then the second step you have to multiply with 30, right? So here we will not do that. Here how can we multiply with 30? So have to put 0 in ones place. Okay, so let's do it. So like this way you will get something, and then we have to add. So 2 plus 0, then 15, carry 1, 3 4. So this is your answer. Okay, so like this way you have to do, and do not do any mistake, because if you will hurry, so then there will be chances of mistakes. So do not do any hurry. So whatever the question is given, you just write it properly and then start solving. So now it was about, if 0 is there in ones place. Now what about if 0 is there in tens place? Okay, that means the number which we suppose you can see here, D number 303 into 27. So here in this number the tens place is 0. Then what we have to do? So again it is similar, okay, because anything we are multiplying with 0 will give you 0 only, right students? So I'll show you here. So here the 0 is in tens place. So do not make this type of mistake that we will skip that and we will continue. Okay, you can't skip that, because first of all you have to multiply this one with 3, then 0, and then again 3, right? So how can you skip that, right students? So what we have to do, we have to follow the steps. So 3 7 ja 21. So we are having carry how much? Carry 2, right students? So this 2 will be carried here in the next place, right? In the next place value. So 7 0 ja how much? 0. So 0 and carry is our 2. So something we are adding with 0 will give us the same number. So what we are getting? We are getting 2. So you have to write 2 here. And again 3 7 ja 21. So now we will do tens place. So ones place will be 0. 3 2 just 6. There is no carry now. So 2 0 ja 0 and 3 2 ja again 6. Now you have to do sum. So this is your answer. Okay students, so do not make any type of mistake. If 0 is there in tens place, then it doesn't mean that you will skip. Okay, because here one more number is there, right? Before and after. So that is why you have to follow the step how we are doing, and if any carry is there, so that one should be carried in that place, and like this way we have to do and we have to write. So actually what happens, 7 zeros are 0, but we have carry, so we have to add it. Again I am solving for G number. So 156 into 23. So it is very easy. I think you can do it. So it will be like this. Okay, and then we have to add this 6, 7, 8, 4 plus 1, 5 and 3. Okay, so this is the answer. Now multiplying by 3-digit number. Okay, so now we will multiply by 3-digit number. Okay, again I will start with 0. So if 0 is there in ones place, so if you multiply them you will get like this, right students? Then we have to follow the second step, that is from tens place. So ones place will be 0, so we will start from tens place. So 2 2 ja 4, you can see the orange line is for tens place. So 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6, 8 2 ja 16, carry 1, 7 2 ja 14 plus 1, 15. Okay, so now we have to do what? 100 place. So 100 place we have to start from 100 place, right students? So here ones place and tens place will be 0 and you will start from hundreds place. Okay students, so this is the rule you have to follow, and do not make this type of mistake that after solving for ones place you are starting from again ones place, again in 100 place also you are starting from ones place or tens place. So do not make this type of mistake. Always you remember the place you are solving for, you have to start from there. Okay, so if I'm writing from ones place, so I will start from ones place. If I'm starting with tens place, then in the second step we will write from the tens place only. Okay, so for that we will put 0 in the ones place. So similarly for 100 place also you have to put 0 in ones place and tens place. Then you have to start from what? 100 place. So again we have to multiply. So 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 8 ja 24, carry 2, 3 7 ja 21 plus 3 will be plus 2 will be 23. Okay students, and we have to do the calculation here, sum. Okay, so be careful while writing. Okay, so do not write means if you will do mistake while writing these numbers, then in sum also you may have some mistake. Okay, so do not write the numbers in a very mess manner. Okay, don't make it mess. You just write, you have the square box copy, no? So you have to just you divide these numbers in the box. So in one box you are writing 7, then again 8, 9, 3, 2, like that way. So it will be very easy for you to write, because here you can see we are starting from here, but as we are going like this way, so then this 2 will be at last. Okay, this will be the leftmost number. Okay, so when writing, so do not do any mistake when writing these numbers. So let's do the sum. So 0, then again 4, here 6 6 12, carry 1, 6 9 15 plus 1 16, then again carry 1, 5 plus 4 9 plus 1 10, carry 1, 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 will be 5 and 2 will be 2. Okay, so here you see ones place 0 is there, so we are getting 0 0 0. So this step you can skip. Okay, then you can start from tens place and 100 place. So this is the step I have written. So first step is multiplying with the 0 we are doing, then second step multiplying with the 20, and third step as we are doing what? 100 place, no? So you have to multiply with 100, and after that at last you have to do the sum. Okay, one more example is there. Suppose here like both the numbers are 3-digit number. Okay, so you have to write them properly and then you have to start. So as there is no 0, so you cannot skip anything. So you have to start from ones place. So after multiplying I'm getting this. Again we have to do for what? Tens place. So I'm putting 0 in ones place and I'm starting from tens place. And after doing that we will do 100 place. So I'm putting 2 0 in ones place and tens place, and I'm starting from 100 place. Okay students, so like this way you have to do it, and after that you have to do the sum. So examples with 0 in factor, that means when you are multiplying, if 0 is there, then what you have to do? So ones place I have already shown you. If ones place 0 is there, then you can skip this. You can this step can is not required. Okay, so you can just simply write 0 and you can start from tens place here only. So it will be 4, 8, 1 and 2, and after that putting 2 0, and you have to start from 100 place, that is 8 1 ja 8, 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 and 7 1 ja 7. After that you have to do sum. Okay, if in tens place 0 is there in the factor, right? So here you are multiplying with this number, right? So you have to do one step from here, then again here, then again here, right students? So what you have to do, you can see tens place 0 is there, so anything you are multiplying with 0 will be 0. Okay, so don't get confused, because if 0 is there here, okay, 0 is somewhere here, then you cannot skip that. But when you are multiplying with 0 all the 3 numbers, okay, or all the 4 numbers, then you can skip that, because anything you're multiplying with 0 will be 0. Okay, there will be no carry. Okay students, so like before I have shown you, if 0 is there somewhere, the number you are multiplying with, so that one, if 0 is there, then you cannot skip. But you are the number with which you are multiplying, if 0 is there, so then you can skip that. So I'm starting from 5, because it is in ones place. So when I'm doing that, 5 8 ja 40, so carry 4, 5 2 ja 10 plus 4 will be 14, carry 1, 5 3 ja 15 plus 1 16. Okay students, now in the tens place 0 is there. Okay students, so if 0 is there, then whole the means this step will means all the numbers we will get 0, because 8 0 ja 0, 2 0 ja 0, 3 0 ja 0, right students? So here if we write also, then also we will get all the 0 0 0 here, right students? So you can skip that and directly you can start from 100 place. Okay, so here you can see, as we are starting from 100 place, so I'm writing 0 in ones place and again 0 in tens place, and then we were starting from 100 place. So 8 2 just 16, carry 1 2 2 just 4 plus 1 5, 3 2 just 6, and after that you have to do the sum. Okay students, let me show you. If I'll write the 0 portion also, then also the answer will be same only. Okay, 6 2 ja 12, carry 1 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 9, 3 2 ja 6. Now in tens place 0 is there, so ones place we have to put 0 obviously, and then 6 0 ja 0, 4 0 ja 0, 3 0 ja 0 only, right students? Now we have to start from what, 100 place. So again ones place and tens place will be 0, 2 6 ja 6 2 ja 12, carry 1, 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 9, 3 2 ja 6. So you have to do the sum. So 6 7 8 9 6. Okay students, so this is your answer. Okay, so you can see, if you are skipping this step, then also it doesn't matter. Okay, so here I have skipped here and I've shown you, and if you will do, then also it's okay. But if you don't want to, because if we know that anything we are multiplying with the 0, then we'll get the 0 only, right? So here if you will not write, then also it's okay. But if you want to do, then also you can do for more perfection. Now let me show you some questions from exercise 3.5. Okay students, so question number 1, multiply. So B number I'm solving for 328 into 700. Okay, so here you can see our ones place and tens place both are 0, so you can write 0 for both the places, and you can start from 100 place. So if you're multiplying this, you will get this. Okay, so in one step only we can complete this, because ones place and tens place is 0. Then question number 2, multiply. So here C number I'm solving for. So here it is given that 384 into 951. Okay, so what you have to do, just you have to follow each and every number and each and every step, and accordingly you have to do, and at last you have to do the sum. So we will start from what, ones place. So 1 4 ja 4, 1 8 ja 8, 1 3 ja 3. Okay, now we will do for what, tens place. So ones place will be 0, so 5 4 ja 20, carry 2. So here I'm writing 0, carry 2. 8 5 ja again 40, and here 2 we are having, so plus 2, so 42, carry 4 is there, then 5 3 ja 15, plus 4 will be 19. So our tens place is also done. Now you have to do the 100 place. So ones place and tens place will be 0. You will start from what? 100 place. So 9 4 ja 36, so I'm writing 6 here, 3 carry, then 8 9 72, okay, and plus 3 will be 75, carry 7, so I'm writing 5 here, then 9 3 ja will be 27, and 27 plus 7 if we do, we will get 34. So now you have to just add them. So 4 plus 0 will be 4, 8, 3 plus 2 will be 5, 5 plus 6 will be 11, carry 1, 9 5 14, plus 1 15, and here carry 1 is there, 4 plus 1 5, plus 1 6, and there is no carry, so 3 will be 3 as it is. Next again multiply is there, so in ones place 0 is there, so you can skip the ones place step, so you can write only the 0 in ones place and you can start from tens place. So 3 8 24, okay, carry 2, then again 3 5 15, then plus 2 will be 17, carry 1, 3 5 15, plus 1 16. Then we have to start from where? 100 place, right students? So 2 step we have to put 0, okay, tens place, ones place and tens place, and we have to start from 100 place. So yes, 3 8 24, carry 2, again the same, right? 3 5 15, plus 2 17, carry 1, 3 5 15, plus 1 16. So now have to add, okay. So students, here what I'm trying to say you is that you have to, means your multiplication table should be in your mind. That means when you are looking at the number, immediately that should come in your mind, okay. Then only you will get a lot of enjoyment when you will solve this kind of problems. Some application in real life problem is there. What problems? So let me discuss that. A number, each of Ramlal's mango tree given about 125 mangoes. How many mangoes will an orchard with 58 such trees give? Okay, so here it is clearly given that one mango tree gives about 125 mangoes. So we have to first search for what? 58 such mango trees. So here what you have to do? Just you have to write a simple sentence. One mango tree gives 125 mangoes. So 58 mango tree will give what? 125 into 58. So if you do multiply them, so then you will get the answer. So therefore 58 such trees will give what? 7,250 mangoes. Or here you can write about also, okay. 58 such trees will give about 7,250 mangoes, okay, because here exactly it is not said na, gives about 125 mangoes. So obviously if we we are doing with this number, so we will also get about this mangoes. So now C number, 746 trucks each carrying 750 kg of mangoes come into the city. How many kilogram of mangoes have come into the city? So kilogram means obviously kg, right? Kilogram means kg. So you have to find out that 746 truck each carrying. When it is said in question that each, no, so that means one, okay. So how many trucks was there? How many trucks were there? So there were 746 trucks. So each carrying how many kg? 750 kg, okay. Each means one. So here you have to find for 746 trucks. So each truck carrying how many kg of mangoes? 750 kg. So 746 car will carry, so you have to do multiplication. So here I have written directly the answer, so you can show it, okay. You have to show it actually, because if this word problem will be, I think, of more marks, right? So you have to show that how you are getting this, okay. So I think you can do it. Just now we have discussed a lot of examples, so you just do it and you will find definitely this answer. So at last you have to write a statement that therefore 5,59,500 kg of mangoes come into the city. Okay, so this is the end of your exercise. I hope that you understood. And students, repeatedly I'm saying that do not waste your time. Okay students, so you just utilize your time. We have a lot of thing to do, right? So you just practice more and more this chapter, multiplication. Okay, and whatever we have discussed, so you just write it in your fair copy. Okay students, so thank you very much.